Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Easy Vocabulary. I'm David.
And I'm Jelly. We're very happy you're here today.
Today, we are learning easy English words.
Yes, words you actually use every day.
Not big words, not difficult words.
Only real English. Simple, useful, daily English.
If you are a beginner, don't worry.
You are in the right place.
Before we start, please like this podcast.
And subscribe to learn English with us every week.
All right, take a breath.
Relax. You're learning English with friends. Power 3 Easy Vocabulary with real examples.
Our first word is daily.
Daily means every day.
Listen first. Daily.
Good. Now listen again. Daily.
Let's use it in a sentence. I take a walk daily.
Nice and simple. I practice English daily.
Now you try. Say it slowly.
Daily.
Good job. You're improving already.
Next word is quick.
Quick means fast or not slow.
Listen, quick.
Again, quick.
Example sentence. My breakfast is quick.
Yes, my quick breakfast is a banana.
Very real sentence. Very useful.
Say it with us. Quick breakfast.
Great job.
Next word, usually.
Usually means most days.
Listen carefully. Usually.
Again, usually.
Example. I usually wake up at 7.
I like that one. I usually drink tea in the morning.
Now you. Say, I usually.
Perfect. That's real English. Next word is simple.
Simple means easy.
Listen, simple.
Again, simple.
Example. This lesson is simple.
Yes, English can be simple.
Say it with confidence.
Good job. You're doing great. Next word, need.
Need means you want it or you must have it.
Listen, need.
Again, need.
Example, I need water.
Very common sentence. I need to practice English.
You'll use this word a lot.
Say it with us. I need. Next word is ready.
Ready means prepared.
Listen, ready.
Again, ready.
Example sentence, I am ready to go.
Nice. I am ready to learn.
That's you right now.
Next word is common.
Common means many people use it.
Listen, common.
Again, common.
Example, this is a common word.
Hello is a common word.
Good example.
Next word, try.
Try means give effort.
Listen, try.
Again, try.
Example, I try to speak English.
Yes, try every day.
Small steps matter.
Next word is better.
Better means more good.
Listen, better.
Again, better.
Example, my English is better now.
That sentence feels good.
And it's true for you.
Last word for today, relax.
Relax means be calm.
Listen, relax.
Again, relax.
Example, relax and listen.
Yes, relax. You are learning.
English is not scary. 4. Listen, discuss, listen again. Quick review.
Let's review quickly.
Repeat after us.
Daily.
Quick.
Usually.
Simple.
Need.
Ready.
Common.
Try.
Better.
Relax.
Amazing work.
Really great job today.
Word 11. Start. Word 11 is start.
Start means begin.
Listen first. Start.
Listen again. Start.
Example sentence. I start my day early.
Nice. I start learning English now.
Now you try. I start.
Good job. Very clear. Next word is finish.
Finish means end.
Listen carefully. Finish.
Again, finish.
Example. I finish my work at 6.
Good sentence. I finish my homework.
Say it slowly.
Perfect. Word 13 is busy.
Busy means you have a lot to do.
Listen, busy.
Again, busy.
Example. I am busy today.
Very common. I am busy in the morning.
Now repeat.
Great work. Next word is free.
Free means not busy.
Listen. Free.
Again, free.
Example. I am free in the evening.
Nice and real. I am free now.
Say it with confidence.
Next word is early.
Early means before time.
Listen, early.
Again, early.
Example. I wake up early.
Very useful sentence. I go to bed early.
Good job.
Next word is late.
Late means after time.
Listen, late.
Again, late.
Example. I am late today.
Real English. I sleep late at night.
Repeat once.
Word 17 is plan.
Plan means what you want to do.
Listen, plan.
Again, plan.
Example. I have a plan.
Good. My plan is simple.
Nice sentence.
Next word is change.
Change means make something different.
Listen. Change.
Again.
Change.
Example. I change my routine. Very real. I want to change my English.
That's a good goal.
Next word is help.
Help means support.
Listen. Help.
Again, help.
Example. Can you help me?
Very important sentence. English helps me.
Nice.
Last word for today is practice.
Practice means do again and again.
Listen, practice.
Again. Practice.
Example, I practice English daily.
Perfect sentence. Practice makes you better.
Say it again. Quick review. Repeat with us.
Start.
Finish.
Busy.
Free.
Early.
Late.
Plan.
Change.
Help.
Practice.
Excellent work.
You are improving step by step.
Word 21. Remember. Word 21 is remember.
Remember means yaad rakhna.
Listen first. Remember.
Listen again. Remember.
Example sentence. I remember your name.
Nice. I remember my English lesson.
Now you try. I remember.
Good job. Very clear. Word 22. Forget. Next word is forget.
Forget means yaad na rehna.
Listen. Forget.
Again.
Forget. Example, I forget my keys.
Very real sentence. I forget English words sometimes.
That's okay. Just practice. Word 23. Choose.
Word 23 is choose.
Choose means select karna.
Listen. Choose.
Again, choose.
Example. I choose tea.
Simple and useful. I choose to learn English.
Nice choice.
Word 24. Decide.
Next word is decide.
Decide means final choice lena.
Listen.
Decide.
Again.
Decide.
Example.
I decide to wake up early.
Good sentence. I decide to practice daily.
Strong habit.
Word 25. Wait. Word 25 is wait.
Wait means rukna.
Listen.
Wait.
Again.
Wait.
Example.
Please wait.
Very common.
I wait for the bus.
Say it slowly.
Word 26. Move.
Next word is move. Move means hilna ya chalna.
Listen. Move.
Again.
Move.
Example.
I move my chair.
Good. I move to a new place.
Nice sentence.
Word 27. Stop.
Next word is stop.
Stop means ruk jana.
Listen. Stop.
Again.
Stop.
Example. Stop here.
Very clear. I stop working at night.
Good control.
Word 28. Look.
Next word is look.
Look means dekhna.
Listen.
Look.
Again.
Look.
Example.
Look at me.
Nice. I look at my phone.
Very real English.
Word 29. Listen. Next word is listen.
Listen means dhyan se sunna.
Listen carefully. Listen.
Again, listen.
Example. I listen to music.
Good one. I listen to this podcast.
Thank you.
Word 30. Speak.
Last word today is speak. Speak means bolna.
Listen, speak.
Again.
Listen.
Example.
I speak English.
Great sentence. I speak slowly.
That helps a lot.
Repeat with us. Remember.
Forget.
Choose.
Decide.
Wait.
Move.
Stop.
Look.
Listen.
Speak.
Excellent work.
You're getting better every episode.
Wrap up, recap plus community question. Today, you learned easy English vocabulary.
Words you actually use in real life.
You listened.
You repeated.
You practiced.
That's how English improves.
Slow, simple, daily.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
Write a simple sentence.
I wake up at...
We will read your comments. Now a small question for you.
Tell us in the comments. What time do you start your day?
Write a simple sentence. Now your turn.
Tell us in the comments. Do you listen to music every day?
Write one simple line.
I listen to music.
We'll see you next time.
Keep practicing.
You're doing great.